Today I want to show you how to install Local by Flywheel. First, open your favorite browser and then search install Local by Flywheel. Then choose the first website and then here you can press download. Here you should choose your platform. I choose Windows and fill up your information and then press get now. After that you'll get the installation file for Local by Flywheel. So let me get it. Now my download is started. If it's not started for you, you can click here to download it. After your download is completed, just go ahead and open the installation file. And then choose if you want it for all the users that use this computer or just for your own user. Then press next. Choose your directory here and then press install. After you press install, Local gets installed into your computer in this specific location. After that, you can open it and it will not show you this page that I'm looking at, but it will show you a button here that you can use to make your website. Or if you want, or if you already have a website, you can press this button to open a new or add a new local website. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I see you in the next one.